No. The Castle Road, 8.2. Still lots of water, 25-gallon jugs.
Okay. 8.2K.
And it seems to be cooked pretty recent date.
Okay. So we'll do our Tim Tam slams there.
Sounds like a plan.
Alright.
It is about 8:30 in the morning. We've covered about 8 miles so far. Making coffee. Brooke and Jamie in their last... Hey Boomerang. Brooke and Jamie in their last resupply box sent me some Tim Tams, which Australian treat. So we're gonna do some Tim Tam slams, which, so you bite opposite corners of the Tim Tam so that you create a straw, and then what you do is you suck the coffee up into the biscuit, and then before it falls apart, you eat the biscuit. Not working? No. Try again.
Now we're good. Smells like tuna.
Smells like tuna? So today we're talking about food. This morning I had 2 Bobo Bar bites right when I got up. They kind of, I'll show you one. Got one here. Stuffed oat bars. They kind of taste like pie. Had 2 of those. And then I had 2 Nutri-Grain bars while I was walking, which are in these wrappers. Got 2 of those. And here's part of the wrappers for my Snickers that I had. So 2 Bobo bites, 2 Nutri-Grain bars, 1 Snickers. I just had a Trader Joe's like almond chocolate bar. I can't find the wrapper for. I had 3 Tim Tams. It's almost 9 o'clock. 2 packets of instant coffee. And I will keep you posted on anything else that I eat. Okay, food update. I've had about 4 servings of Gatorade powder, and I'm about to have half a bag of gummy worms, sour gummy worms. Tasty. Okay, we're here for lunch break. We're all underneath this giant Joshua tree that's super cool looking. And eating, there's 3 different kinds of chips in here. I've got Fritos, and then I've got these. It's in the Chilimon chili, is that right? Chili mon? Bonitas. And then I've also got sour cream and onion lays all mixed in there. And I cut the bag down as I go and I eat with my spoon, but I think I cut the bag a little too short. So I don't know if I can put it away. So I'm gonna have to just keep eating until I can close it. Okay, food update. I had the other half of that bag of sour gummy worms. I've had 2 more electrolyte packets. One of them was Gatorade, another one was some random brand. I think I've had 8 liters of water today. And when I was posting today's video, I stopped under a Joshua tree for, like this one, for a good 2 hours to finish the edit and get it uploaded. I got caught up by the group that we had dinner with and camped with last night, and one of the girls was just not, like, wouldn't make eye contact. Looked like she did not like me at all, like I had offended her. And so she had gone ahead because she didn't want to stop to talk to me, and the other guy stuck around. I asked him, like, do I owe her an apology? And the guy was like, well, you don't, as long as you don't camp near us ever again. You snored all night and you were farting all night, and it kept her up. So that happened. So I caught up with her and apologized, and she laughed. But I'd like to think that was a one-off, not a regular thing. My guys never complain about it. Okay, so 2 ramen packets for dinner, a Snickers bar, and then Trail Magic, which I'll show you the video of that next. Oh, it's alright. So we were just brushing our teeth, getting ready for bed, and then some lady walked up from her car and was like, "Hey, do you want ice cream?" And I said, "Yeah, I want ice cream." And then she's like, "Do you want a drink?" And I said, "Yeah, I want a drink." And then after that, then another lady walked up and said, "Do you want a sandwich?" So now I have a sandwich, and this is just great. I'm gonna brush my teeth and I'm gonna go to bed. It's a very long, beautiful, look at that, beautiful day. Yeah. Okay.